a recipe so easy that it's gonna become your go-to slow cooker rescue meal. So this chicken, perfectly juicy, oh man. I mean, you can build tacos with it, make incredible chicken quesadillas, add it to pasta, mix it with Spanish rice, make burrito bowls. Okay, let's not carry it away. Let me show you how this is done, and don't blink because this recipe is so simple, I can't even make a full-length video out of it. But don't worry, I'm gonna link out the other recipes you can use this chicken in the description box right below this video. In my slow cooker, I placed my chicken breast, salsa, gave it a quick mix, and closed the lid. Then I set it to 5 to 6 hours on high, depending on how much chicken you put in there, and that's it. When you take it out, it's perfectly cooked and super easy to shred between 2 forks or slice it up between whatever meal you want to make. I like it to use it on top of my salads too. The possibilities are endless. And it freezes great. So if you meal prep and want to freeze it in single portions, unbelievable. Make sure to check the link in the description box for the printable recipe if you need it and the other recipes. See you next time.